All right, let's take a start. How often do you use public transport?
Daily I have to travel for going to my job. Means that's why I use bus and.
That's good. Don't say
Yes,
and be sure about your answer.
Yes.
Answer the same question again. How often do you use public transport?
I have to go daily routine for my job. Therefore, I travel. I have to travel 4 to 5 miles, and
Again,
Yes, sir.
listen, how often do you use public transport? I use public transport every day
Yeah.
because I commute on the regular basis as I'm doing a job. So every morning I take the bus to reach my office. In the evening again I use the same bus, same route to come back home. If you use the word commute, examiner will be like, commute means to travel from point A to point B and then point B to point A on the regular basis. So, I mean, it's going to increase your band score. All right, let's move on. Are you satisfied with the transport system of your city?
I'm satisfied with the transport of my country or my city, but many times I'm not satisfied.
Don't say I'm satisfied.
Sorry,
हाँ
I'm not
satisfied तो
happy.
हूँ लेकिन मैं satisfied नहीं हूँ. बहुत satisfied हूँ. I didn't say that, okay. But anyways, so answer again.
Yes.
Are you satisfied? Again, if you're satisfied, then say yes, I am. Otherwise, you should say well, it depends.
Yes.
Well, it depends mean to some extent you are satisfied, to some extent you are not satisfied. So please answer again. Are you satisfied with the public transport system of your city?
Yes, I'm very satisfied with my with the transport of my city, because there are very organized system in my city of for the public transportation.
Okay. What are the advantages of using public transport?
Well, there are many advantages of benefits of public transportation. For example, you can save your money by instead of hiring a taxi or a bus for a single use. You can also travel on a public transportation like bus and train, etc.
Okay, do people prefer to use public transport or their personal conveyance?
It depends on the situation. Many people want to use public transport, and most of people prefer to travel by their own.
On their own, or
on
using their own conveyance, personal vehicles. So now in this answer you can use the word vehicles,
Vehicle.
conveyance, car and all that. Overall it's good, but you need to be more confident.
Yes, sir.
Number one. Number two, your answer must be organized one. I mean, in the beginning you should know what to say till the end, right? And try to do a little bit of exaggeration. Okay? Yeah, thank you.